Hello students, welcome back. Today I am going to teach you science for class 3. Actually we are revising our chapters. We have completed chapter 1 and 2. The PT1 syllabus has been completed. We are revising. Today I will continue with the revise from chapter 2, keeping safe. Today actually we are doing the safety rules. We will continue with the safety rules. Today we will revise safety rules that to be followed in the playground and safety rules to be followed at home. So, safety rules to be followed in the playground. What safety rules you should follow in the playground? Actually you are playing there in the playground with your friends, either football or cricket, any game you are playing. So, what safety rules you should follow? While playing, always follow the rules of the game. So, first safety rule is always follow the rules of the game. Number 2, do not play any rough game. Okay, do not play any rough game. So, we are doing here safety rules in the playground. So, what safety rules we should follow? Number 1, while playing, always follow the rules of the game. We should always follow the rules of the game, and also do not play any rough games. Next point, while playing at the swings, merry-go-round or seesaw, do not push others, wait for your turn. So, while playing at the swing or in the seesaw or merry-go-round, do not push others. You should have your turn, wait for your turn. So, these safety rules you should follow while you are playing in the playground. Always follow the rules of the game, do not play any rough game, and while playing at the seesaw or swing or merry-go-round, you should have your turn, wait for your turn, do not push any other. Then we will do some MCQ. Actually I hope you are having your book with you, you are following. MCQ, there is MCQ. Number 1, cross the road. The question is, cross the road when the pedestrian traffic light is, the options are red, green, blue. So, the cross the road when the pedestrian traffic light is, the correct option will be green. So, when the pedestrian traffic light or the traffic light is green, then you should cross the road. Question number 2 from multiple choice question or MCQ. In a bus, we must keep, options are dancing, disturbing the driver, or quiet. The answer will be quiet. So, in a bus, while traveling in a bus, you should always keep quiet. Now, safety rules. We will revise also this one, safety rules. Next safety rules to be followed at home. To be followed at home. So, let us see what safety rule we should follow at home. Number 1, never play with sharp things like blades, knives, scissors. It can cut your fingers, you can cut your skin. Always use them only under adult supervision. or in the presence of an adult. Number 2, do not touch electric wires, plugs, sockets, hot irons or heaters. They can give you electric shock. So, you should not never touch any electrical things, electric wires, electric plugs, electric sockets or hot iron or electric heaters. They can give you electric shock. Point number 3, do not play with matchsticks or fire. So, you should not play with matchsticks or fire. They can burn your skin. Next point, never touch the gas stove and hot plates or peep into any utensil on stove in the kitchen. So, you should not touch the gas stove and hot plates or peep into any utensil on the stove in the kitchen. Next point, never climb on windows and shelves. Never climb on windows and shelves. You may fall down and hurt yourself. Next point, do not run down the steps. You may fall down and hurt yourself. Next point, never leave your toys on the floor. Never leave your toys on the floor. You may trip over them and fall down. So, you should never leave your toys on the floor. You may trip over them and you may fall down. So, these are the safety rules you should follow at home. So, we have revised this one. Hope I will revise the next part of this chapter, keeping safe, in the next class. Thank you.